I just wanted to have a career, something that I'll be able to be happy waking up and doing. Because I was just at home, like stay-at-home mom. I felt like it was just in one spot, like I was a movie. So them accepting me and letting me come and like do something, like I really appreciate it because I can also show my kids, like even though you stop doing something, you can always come back and finish it and make something of yourself. You have to push yourself because nobody else is gonna push you like you push yourself to finish and accomplish something. Like I can't believe it, like that I'm actually gonna end up getting what I wanted by just me just doing that one step of coming. I'm gonna be happy for myself that I actually did it and I was actually able to walk and walk the stage. And nobody can take it away from me. Like, it's just for me.